everyone, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're having a fantastic day. All right, so your goal was to go through and highlight this mentor text to look for all of the pieces. We're going to go over it together to make sure you have what you need. So we know that our first sentence is pink. That's going to be our hook that gets the reader excited. After that, we have blue background knowledge. This is going to tell us what is this essay about, what is the book, who wrote it, and what do we need to know. And then next is our thesis statement. That's going to be green. That's going to outline what this entire essay is going to be about. That's my introduction paragraph, so hopefully you got those. Okay, next we only had one body paragraph on here. Typically there's going to be three, but for this purpose you really only need one, right? Because they're all the same. In this one you'll notice, so we start with our green topic sentence. This is going to outline the points within my body paragraph. And then after that we're going to have our PEA. Points are going to be yellow. After that, evidence from the text is going to be red, and then analysis explains how does the evidence prove the point. That's going to be blue. So you'll notice that I have point, evidence, analysis. After that, I have two more sets, point, red, evidence, blue, analysis, and then once again, point, evidence, and analysis, yellow, red, and blue. Cool, so that's your whole body paragraph. Finally, at the end here, we have our restated thesis. That's going to be green. Remember, we take what we set up here, say, hey, reader, remember this, and we remind them of what they need to know. Next, we have our pink connection to hook, so we're going to explain it a little bit deeper, and then boom, my favorite part, mic drop moment. That is your final thoughts, leaving the reader with something to think about. That's your conclusion paragraph for your essay. Guys, I know this went a little bit fast. Please pause this, go back if you need to, and great job.